Good morning. Today we'll be doing a review on how to compare fractions. The first thing we're going to have to remember is our symbols. Now remember, our symbols can look like this, or like this. These are our comparison signs. If you need more review on the comparison signs, click on the link to watch the Gator video. The best way to think about it when you're first practicing is that our comparison signs are like alligators. They want to eat the bigger fraction. So if I have a fraction that is 2/5, remember you have to have the TH, the fifths, and I have 4/5, my alligator will want to eat the bigger fish. So these are my fish. The alligator, I have to choose one of them that will want to eat the bigger fish. If I face this way, he'll be eating the 2/5. But if I face this way, he'll be eating the 4/5. Which one is the bigger fraction? Yes, our bigger fraction is 4/5. So our alligator will face this way. This, when we read it, will say 2/5 is less than 4/5. We read it from left to right, just like we're reading a book. Now we're going to get a little bit trickier. What if I tell you that we're going to put a little line right here to separate our problems. What if I tell you I have 3/5, but then I also have 2/15? Are these comparable right away? You're right, they're not. To compare our fractions, we have to find a common denominator. The first trick for finding a common denominator is seeing if the smaller one, 5, can go into 15. This is where we need our multiplication facts. I told you they would come in handy. How many times does 5 go into 15? That's right, 3. So we have to multiply 5 by 3 to get 15. So both of my denominators will be 15. Now if I do it to the bottom, I must do it to the top as well. What's 3 times 3? Correct. 3 times 3 is 9. Now if this one is already 15, I didn't do anything to this denominator. So will I do anything to the 2? Nope, I won't. So now my equivalent fractions are 9/15 and 2/15. Remember, this means that 3/5 is equal to 9/15. And 2/15 is equal to 2/15. Which one is larger? Correct. 9/15 is larger than 2/15. Our alligator wants the bigger fish. Now remember, we have to read it from left to right. So why don't you read it with me? 9/15 is greater than 2/15. Now we're not quite done because I didn't ask if 9/15 was bigger than 2/15. I asked if 3/5 was bigger than 2/15. So my final answer, I will have to make sure to rewrite it 3/5 fifths and 2/15, I need to make sure I put my alligator in the right problem. So my answer will still read 3/5 is greater than 2/15. If you need more help, let me know when you come to class tomorrow, or you can check out the other links and worksheets that are attached, and we'll see you tomorrow.